Good morning, children. How are you? Third class children. All are had your breakfast? Huh? Okay. Have a nice day to you. Children, what you are doing now? You are completed your breakfast, I think so. You are get ready for listening these classes, huh? Okay. Shall we go through it? Ninth lesson companion poem. Okay. It is our lesson 9 poem. Okay. What is a poem? Sing a song. Sing a song of sixpence. Okay? Sixpence. Sixpence. Sing a song of sixpence. Sing a song of sixpence. A pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pea. When the pea was opened, the birds began to sing. Oh, was not that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out of the cloths, when down came blackbird and pecked off her nose. Who are sixpence here? One is a rye, one is a pocket, one is a pocket, and one more is blackbirds. Okay, and one is a dainty dish. Okay, and one more is the king, and one more is the queen, and one more is a housemaid. These are the sixpence. Okay, here is one is pocket. What is there in the pocket? Pocket full of rye. And one more is 20 blackbirds. 20 blackbirds. And these are the sixpence in this lesson. Okay? 20 blackbirds. And bigger and dainty dish. A one of the dish. Okay? Dish. And one more is king. Here is king. And one more is person, queen. And one more is the maid. Maid means servant. Okay. These are the sixpence in this lesson. Sing a song of sixpence. A pocket full of rye. 24 blackbirds baked in a pea. When the pea was opened, the birds began to sing. Oh, was not the dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the cloths. When dawn came a blackbird and pecked off her nose. Here 6 things are in this lesson. Sing a song of sixpence. A pocket full of rye. A pocket is full of rye. Rye and patti. 24 birds baked in a pea. When a pea was opened, the birds began to sing. Oh, was not that a dainty dish to set before the king? మేము తినడానికి రాజు కోసం ఇక్కడ లేము. ఓకే, ద కింగ్ వాజ్ ఇన్ హిస్ కౌంటింగ్ హౌస్. కింగ్ ఎక్కడున్నాడు? వాళ్ళకి సపరేట్ హౌసెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా. వన్ ఈజ్ మీటింగ్ హౌస్. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కోర్ట్. Court of a king. అంటే రాజసభ, కోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కింగ్. కౌంటింగ్ అవుట్ హిజ్ మనీ, ధనాగారం, ఒక సపరేట్ రూమ్లో దాంట్లో డబ్బులు అవన్నీ దాచిపెట్టుకొని కౌంటింగ్ హౌస్. ఓకేనా? కౌంటింగ్ అవుట్ హిజ్ మనీ. ద క్వీన్ వాజ్ ఇన్ ద పార్లర్. క్వీన్ ఆల్రెడీ బ్యూటీ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి షీ హ్యాస్ టు కీప్ హర్ బ్యూటీ. షీ ఈజ్ మెయింటైనింగ్ హర్ బ్యూటీనెస్ విత్ ద పార్లర్. షీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద పార్లర్ ఈటింగ్ బ్రెడ్ అండ్ హనీ. మనలాగా ఇడ్లీలు దోశలు తినకుండా బ్రెడ్ అండ్ హనీ తింటుంది. టు ఇంప్రూవ్, టు ఇంక్రీజ్ హర్ బ్యూటీనెస్. ఓకే. ద మెయిడ్ వాజ్ ఇన్ ద గార్డెన్. ఎప్పుడు పని వాళ్ళు, సర్వెంట్స్ ఎక్కడ అయితే కిచెన్లోనన్నా, అయితే లేకపోతే హాల్లోనన్నా, అయితే తడిగుడ్డ పెట్టడము, లేకపోతే బట్టలు ఆరేయడము, లేకపోతే వాటరింగ్ ప్లాంట్స్, ఇలాంటి పనులలోనే ఉంటారు కదా. ద మెయిడ్ వాజ్ ఇన్ ద గార్డెన్ వైల్ షీ ఈజ్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ద నో హ్యాంగింగ్ అవుట్ ద క్లాత్స్. బట్టలు ఆరబెడుతుంది. When down came back blackbird and pecked off her nose. Here it is. Sing a song of sixpence. Okay. It is a poem. Page number 53. Page number 53. Okay, children. Once again, sing a song of sixpence. Pocket full of rye, 420 blackbirds baked in a pea. When the pea was opened, the birds began to sing. ఎప్పుడైతే అది ఓపెన్ చేస్తారో the birds are singing. Oh, was not that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the cloths. When down came blackbird and pecked off her nose. Chakaga ivi anni they are singing and they are enjoying. Okay. And here it is, summative and assessment. Formative assessment is there. Can you think 3-letter words that rhyme with the following words? Me? Can you think 3 letters, words that rhyme with the following words? Okay? Okay, we can write here. Page number 53, first bit. Okay. Can you think of 3 letters? 3 letters words that rhyme with the following words. Okay. First one is A. A emundi M-E, me. Then pakkana they are given B dash dash. We have here they are given 2 words. So we have to write words with 3 letters. F dash dash. Okay. K dash dash. S dash dash. S dash dash. T dash dash. And what we have to write here? Me. Me. మనం ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సింది B. Me, B. Fee. Okay. Key. Okay. C. And this is SESC. అంటే ఒక SEE. C అంటే చూడండి. TEA tea. Me, B, honey bee. Okay, me, bee, fee, key, C, T. This is the same rhyming words. Okay, and bees, bee. Okay, next one is B. Entity. SAY, say. B dash dash. Okay, D dash dash. G dash dash. H dash dash. L dash dash. M dash dash. And one more is C bit. GET get. W S dash dash. M dash dash. J dash dash. L dash dash. You should copy all those things what we are writing on the board. So many people, so many children are not copying. Just you should copy from your book. If you are having textbook, you can write in your textbook. Otherwise, you can copy in the rough note sama. M-E, B-E-E, B, me, B, F-E-E, fee, K-E-Y, key, S-E-S-C, S-E-E-C, T-E-A-T. And here it is, B1 is say, S-A-Y, say. And B-A-Y, bay, D-A-Y, day. Okay. G-A-Y, get. H-A-Y, head. L-A-Y, lay. M-A-Y, made. Say, day, gay, head, lay, made. Okay, now? And here it is get. Get, W-G-E-T, get, W-E-T, wet. S-E-T, set. M-E-T, met. J-E-T, jet. L-E-T, let. What is the meaning? Wet. G-E-T, get. You can get it. నువ్వు తీసుకోగలుగుతావు. వెట్ తడిదనం. సెట్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ సెట్ ఆఫ్. అండ్ మెట్, షీ మెట్ హర్ మదర్. ఓకే, జెట్ ఫ్లైట్. లెట్ అంటే రావడానికి అవకాశం, రావడానికి. లెట్ హిమ్, రానివ్వండి, చూడనివ్వండి, ఇలా లెట్ హిమ్. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ నో, లెట్ మీ సే, లెట్ మీ గివ్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, లెట్ మీ లిసన్, లెట్ మీ టాక్, ఇలాంటివి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అండ్ మీ, బీ, ఫీ, కీ, సి, టీ. సే, బే, డే, గే, హే, లే, మే. Get, wet, set, met, jet, let. These are called a same pronunciation, just like meaning is different and the spelling also different, but the pronunciation, the rhythm వినే శబ్దం is same. దాన్నే rhyming words అంటారు. And the second bit, pick out the words from the poem that rhyme with the following. Okay, second bit ఏమడిగారు? second bit, poem that rhyme with the following. మనకి లెసన్ లో వచ్చినవి సేమ్ రిథం రావాలి. A1, B, nose. Okay, C1, journey. సేమ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ వచ్చేది రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, రింగ్. Let us find what are the same rhythmic words in this lesson. Why? Ride. Here it is there, no? Ride. R-E-Y, ride. It is there in your textbook in the second line. Is it? isn't it? Okay, and nose, nose, చెప్పండి, nose, house. ఓకే, మనకు సేమ్ వర్డ్ వచ్చేది జర్నీ, జర్నీ, dainty, journey, honey. Here it is honey, honey or money. Okay, here it is honey or money is there, no? Journey, honey, money. Okay, honey, money. Okay ma. And ring, sing, ring, sing. Nose, nose, ఇంకేమన్నా nose, nose, rose. Okay, why? Right, nose, rose, journey, honey, ring, sing. These are the rhyming words which are connected with the poem in this lesson. Okay children, and let us go through the next bit. Form as many sentences as possible on the pattern given below. Although here they are given some boxes లో ఇలా ఇచ్చారు మనకి. ఏంటది? It is there in the textbook, page number 54. చూడండమ్మా, ఇదో although. Okay, and he was tired, she is rich, and if was raining heavily, teachers scold children, Mother Teresa was old and sick. Here in the other box, she is not proud, she never stopped helping the others. The continued to work, they always love them. He went out without uniform. Okay, without umbrella. By using this table, we have to frame some of the words, some of the sentences. Okay, shall we write them? You all have copied this one, huh? Okay, I think so. Shall I rub this one, huh? And next we can go to the page number 54. Better to write in your textbook, otherwise you can copy in your rough notes or any notes. Page number 54. First sentence we have to, how many words, how many sentences possible we can write it. Although he was tired, he continued to work. వాళ్ళు ఏంటి దీని మీనింగ్? అతను టైర్డ్ అయిపోయినా సరే వర్క్ కంటిన్యూ చేశాడు. ఆల్దో హీ ఈస్ టైర్డ్, ఆల్దో హీ వాస్ టైర్డ్, బట్ హీ కంటిన్యూ టు వర్క్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్, ఆల్దో అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే అయినప్పటికీ. తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? అయినప్పటికీ. అంటే అతను టైర్డ్ అయినప్పటికీ, ఆల్దో షీ ఈజ్ రిచ్, ఆల్దో షీ ఈజ్ రిచ్, ఆమె రిచ్ అయినప్పటికీ షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రౌడ్, షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రౌడ్, ఆమె ధనవంతురాలు. షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రౌడ్, ఆమె రిచ్ పర్సన్ అయినా షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ, ఆమె ధనవంతురాలు అయినప్పటికీ షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రౌడ్, ఆమె గర్వం లేదు. ఈవెన్ దో షీ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ రిచ్ ఉమెన్ బట్ షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ప్రౌడ్. ఆమె ధనవంతురాలు అయినప్పటికీ గర్వం లేదు. ఇంకా కొన్ని రాద్దామా? వీ కెన్ రైట్ 5 sentences. ఆల్దో it was raining heavily. He went out without umbrella. Without an umbrella. వర్షం పడుతున్నప్పటికీ he went out without umbrella. And one more word, one more sentence. Although teachers scold children. Teachers scold children. They always love them. They always love them. టీచర్ తిట్టినప్పటికీ వాళ్ళు ఒకరినొకరు ఇష్టపడుతున్నారు. మదర్ తెరీసా. ఆల్దో మదర్ తెరీసా was old and sick. She never stopped helping the poor. ఆమె ముసలి చేతగాకుండా అయినప్పటికీ she never stopped to help the poor people. Then only she became as a Mother Teresa. With using of this table, we can make as possible as sentences. Okay? Although he was tired, he continued to work. Although she is rich, she is not proud. Although it was raining heavily, he went out without an umbrella. Although teachers scold children, they always love them. Although Mother Teresa was old and sick, she never stopped helping the poor. These are the sentences. With the help of this box, we have prepared the sentences. Okay, children? You can also try with using of some small words to make a sentence. It is make you very fun and it is a improvement of your grammar. Thank you very much, children.